Dila's Kitchen. Today I'll be making a creamy chicken spinach lasagna that's also perfect and fresh for summertime. So let's get to it. I'm adding 1 chopped onion to a tablespoon of oil. I'm going to saute this for 3 minutes until the onion is soft. 8 lasagna sheets that I'm going to soak into hot water. I'm not going to cook my sheets. I just soak them for a few minutes into hot water. I'm adding 2 cloves of garlic. So this is the spinach sauce that I'm making. I'm going to give this also like a minute. My onions and garlic are fried. I'm removing it from the pot. I'm doing the white sauce. I'm adding 2 cups of milk to the same pot. I'm also adding 2 cups of chicken broth. Teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to wait for the butter to melt. I'm adding 4 tablespoons to my white sauce. I'm going to whisk it. So I normally mix my flour or corn flour with a little bit of water before I add it to the milk. Otherwise you're going to create a lot of lumps if you're not used to this. But mine is fine. There's no lumps. I'm just waiting for it to just thicken a little bit, and then I'm going to add my spinach and I'm going to add my onions back to it. Now I'm adding my onions and my garlic back to the white sauce, and I'm also adding 4 cups of spinach. This is baby spinach that I just cut up, and it looks a lot, but in a minute it won't be a lot. And as soon as it's starting to wilted, then I'm going to remove it from the pot. In a separate bowl I'm adding 250 grams of mascapone cheese. I'm also adding 1 egg, and I'm adding 4 cups of mozzarella cheese, a bit of salt, a bit of pepper, and I am going to give it a mix. And this is my mascarpone cheese mixture that I'm going to put aside. So my creamy spinach is ready. I'm going to remove it and start layering the lasagna. So I have 1 cooked chicken that I shredded, and I'm going to start by adding a bit of the spinach sauce to the bottom so that the lasagna sheets doesn't stick to the bottom. And I'm going to add my lasagna sheets can overlap a little bit. I soak it in cold water. After removing the hot water, then it won't stick. I'm also adding some of the mascapone, and I'm spreading this. I'm also adding the shredded chicken. And then I will repeat the process. Repeat the rest of the spinach. Adding more of the mascarpone cheese to the top. I'm adding 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese to the top. Adding a bit of parsley, freshly chopped parsley to the top. I'll add more parsley once it comes out of the oven. I'm also going to put 9 toothpicks so that I cover it with foil and the foil don't stick to the cheese. I have 3, 6, 9 here. I'm going to cover it with foil. I'm going to place this into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for about 40 minutes. 40 to 45 minutes. Just removed my lasagna from the oven. I'm just adding more parsley to it. Fresh parsley. I am going to plate up. So my spinach creamy chicken lasagna is ready, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram or Facebook. The link will be in the description. Thank you for watching, and God bless.